We end this flow with one of the most overlooked strength stretch moves in mobility. Stand up. Feet wide, toes out, drop into a deep squat. Elbows inside knees, palms together. Press out with your arms, spine tall. You made it to the final challenge. This isn't just a stretch, it's a grounded power stance. I promise it decompresses your spine, builds end range control in your hips, and brings heat to your glutes without needing a single weight. Beginners pulse slightly or place a block under your heels. Advanced stretches, hold still and breathe through the burn. Don't bail now. Sink 10% deeper. Can you hold this last one for 5 more seconds? Good. That's the difference between release and reset. Your spine is your body's communication highway. If it's stuck, your energy gets stuck with it. Start on all fours, wrists on the shoulders and knees on the hips. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest and tailbone, cow. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin, cat. Flow with your breath. Smooth, steady, full. You can feel a ripple of motion from your tailbone to the crown of your head. Gentle pressure releasing in the spine. This stretch mobilizes the entire back and activates your core. I promise, it resets your posture, breath, and nervous system in one move. We're about to flip this movement upside down and stretch the back line even deeper. Slow the tempo, 1 full breath per movement. You're in? Are you breathing with your spine or rushing through the motion? That just woke up your vertebrae. Now let's rise and lengthen the full chain. This isn't just a stretch, it's a conversation between your hamstrings, your spine, and your breath. From all fours, lift your hips toward the sky. Press your palms, heels toward the mat. Let your head hang, soften your knees if needed. Take long, grounding breaths. You'll feel a stretch from calves through hamstrings, spine decompressing, arms engaged. Downward dog lengthens your entire back line and resets tension from your head to your heels. I promise, this one stretch multiplies your energy. It also increases blood flow to the brain, perfect for morning focus. Press your heels down, 5 seconds. Let the stretch deepen naturally. Are you pushing from tension or lifting from breath? That just unlocked your back. Now let's loosen up your hips. This is where we let go of control and gravity does the work. Slowly rise to standing. Feet hip width apart. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, hinge from the hips, fold forward. Let your arms and head hang. Knees can soften. You can feel length along the spine, a stretch through the hamstrings, a calming drop in the nervous system tone. This fold decompresses the spine and releases the back of the legs, restoring both posture and breath. I promise, it's a reset your nervous system didn't know it needed. Up next, we unlock the hips from a seated base. Get ready to rotate. Bend your knees slightly and let yourself fold 1 inch deeper. Final 5 seconds. Are you folding with intention or collapsing from fatigue? That just softens your back line.